What if every question your buyers and sellers asked could be answered instantly, accurately, and in your own voice, even at 2 in the morning when you are fast asleep? That is exactly what Claude AI can do for your real estate business right now. Most agents are drowning in repetitive questions every single week. Things like, how long will it take to sell my home? What is earnest money? And do I need an inspection on a new build are asked over and over again, stealing hours from your day. Here is where Claude AI becomes your most valuable team member. You are going to teach Claude everything about your market and your process, and it will handle those FAQs so you never have to type the same answer twice again. Start by opening Claude and writing what is called a system prompt. This is where you tell Claude who it is. So type something like, you are a knowledgeable real estate assistant for a professional agent in Austin, Texas, and your job is to answer client questions clearly, warmly, and accurately. Next, you feed Claude your FAQ document. Paste in your 20 or 30 most common buyer and seller questions along with the answers you have always given. And Claude will learn your tone, your market knowledge, and your preferred way of explaining things. Once Claude has your context, it does not just copy your answers word for word. It understands the intent behind each question and can generate a fresh conversational response every single time, making it feel personal rather than canned. For seller FAQs like, how do you determine my listing price? Claude can walk clients through your comparative market analysis process in plain language. For buyer FAQs like what happens after my offer is accepted, it can map out every step of the closing timeline in a friendly, easy-to-follow way. You can also build out specialized FAQ sets for different situations. Create one version for first-time buyers, one for move-up sellers, and one for investors. Then switch between them in Claude depending on which type of client you're helping. Once you have tested and refined your Claude FAQ system, you can copy the responses into your website chat widget, your email templates, or even a simple text shortcut on your phone, turning Claude into a 24-hour client communication engine that works even when you are showing homes. This one setup can save you 5 or more hours every single week while making every client feel like they got a fast, thoughtful answer from a true expert. If you would like my free guide, just comment Claude and I will send it right to you.